Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi RS7. Launch control is a fantastic feature designed to give you the quickest possible acceleration from a complete stop. It manages engine power and wheel spin to ensure optimal traction. Before attempting a launch, always make sure your engine and transmission are fully warmed up to their operating temperatures. To prepare your Audi RS7 for launch, first ensure you are in the correct drive mode. Select dynamic mode using your MMI controls. Next, pull the gear selector back to engage sport mode, indicated by an S on your dashboard. With your right foot, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor while keeping the brake pedal pressed. Once you have both pedals pressed, you will see a message on your dashboard confirming launch control is active. The engine RPMs will stabilize at an optimal level, typically around 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. When you are ready, quickly and completely release the brake pedal. The car will then accelerate with maximum force, so be prepared for the sensation. After releasing the brake, your Audi RS7 will manage the gear shifts automatically to achieve the fastest acceleration. It's important to always be mindful of your surroundings and ensure you have a clear, safe path ahead. Repeated use of launch control can put stress on components, so use it judiciously. For more deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.